everyone, today let's talk about ultra clear glass and common glass touchscreen. How to choose the raw material of touchscreen. Generally speaking, there are two kinds of glass for the touchscreen. One is common glass and the other is ultra clear glass. Now let's have a look. Look, this is common glass and this is ultra clear glass. Compared to the common glass, first of all, print the white color on the ultra clear glass. The appearance is more beautiful and the color degree is more higher. Secondly, for the ultra clear glass, the blow-up rate is lower and looks more brighter and transparent. In addition, the anti-UV effect is more wonderful. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.